Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to automatically tag new Shopify orders using make.com, whether it's based on customer city, country, or order value. This scenario will apply the right tag as soon as an order comes in, all on autopilot. So let's get started. First, we will have the Shopify module. So if you click on this is the webhook, and you will create a new webhook and you will make the connection with your Shopify store, and then you will select the event order create. This one you will select this order create and save. So whenever there is order in your Shopify store, this event will be triggered and we will get the order data over here in the make.com scenario. So I have already done that, so let me cancel that. And then you will you will add the router module. This router will route the data in 3 different routes. So let's discuss the first one. Whenever the data will come here, what we will do, we will update the order. And with the help of order ID, and we will tag that order data with this customer city. So that is coming from data, shipping address, and city. We will, whatever the customer city will be, we will tag that Shopify order with the city name, and similarly the payment gateway. So this module will always run whenever we receive the order. This module will always run. Okay, here we have a filter on the second route. So let's check the filter. So condition 1, we have data.shipping.country. If the country is not equal to Germany, we added this filter. If the country is not equal to Germany, then these modules will run. So what will happen, we will get the order, data, and then update the order, and we will add these tags. We will add the tags which we already have, and then we will tag is international. So if the city is not Germany, we will also add the international tag to Shopify order. And in the third route, we have another filter, and if the total price is greater than 500, if the price is more than 500, then we will get the order again, and we will update the order with these tags. We will add the tags, as well as we will add the important tags. You can add any tag, whatever you would like. So I save this. This is saved, and it will run immediately as soon as the data arrives. So whenever new order placed in Shopify, this scenario will run automatically. So let's try that in real example. If I go to my store and go to my catalog, and first I will order this product and buy it, and my total is $19. Let me show you the order first. Right now we have 1183 order number. If I reload the page, and you will see we don't have any tags to the existing order. So our last order was 1183. Let's create the new order. Continue to shipping, continue to payments, and I will use bogus gateway. You can give any future date, whatever you like, and any security code in 3-digit, and pay now. Now there will be 02 or any month. 13 is not a month, so I had to change that to 22. Now our order is placed, and if I go to the orders and refresh orders, and you can see we have the payment method, the bogus gateway, and the international tag, and the city is Lahore. So these tags are automatically added in our Shopify orders. So let's try to change the tags again, and let's say this time I would like to add the another tag as well. So I will also add the my country. So I'll find country. So this is my country. I will add the country and add another tag as well, country code. Save this, and over here what we have, international. Okay, that's fine. And over here we have important tag. So this time we are going to add the order which has more than 500 USD price. So I will save this scenario and let's try to make another order. And this time I will select let's select this product, add to cart, and go back again, and also this product, add to cart. Now our value is greater than 500, so go to the checkout and place the new order, continue to the payment, and we will use the bogus gateway. This time let's change it to cash on delivery, so we will see which payment method we will get. So complete the order. Okay, we can't use this. Let's continue to use the bogus gateway because my limit is exceeded. So 0330 and any security code in 3-digit. Pay now, and we have placed the order successfully. Now if I go back here and refresh the page, and now you see we have different tags. Bogus payment gateway, important because the price is greater than 500 US dollar and the order is coming international, Lahore city name, and my country name and my country code. So this is how you can make you can add tags to your Shopify orders automatically. You can add any condition whatever you like. Based on your condition, your orders will be automatically tagged. So I hope this video makes sense to you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.